probably can tell, this was inspired by our 1984 Hormel no beans chili Little Italy chili pasta thing. I went to Walmart this morning and they were out of Hormel no beans. So I am trying Great Value no beans for the first time. Let's just try the sauce and the rice first. Oh. Oh, I like that. Oh, I like that. Let's do a shrimp. I almost choked. Sometimes you breathe in. I breathed in a green onion. Mmm. Try a piece of sausage. Oh man. There's a sweetness to this I really like. Let's get some more rice. Oh, I really like it. It's really different than the Hormel. Of course, the Hormel didn't have shrimp or sausage. Let's give it a try just from the pot. Start just plain. It's gonna be hot. Wow. Oh, I like this better than the Hormel. Oh. Ooh, they're just a little bit of kick. We did make our own Cajun seasoning. I'll put that in the description. I'll put everything in the description. It's nice and thick. A little bit, I know there's okra in here somewhere. There's an okra. Very mushy. Wow. Ooh, I'm happy with this. Holy moly. You know, there's just a little bit of spice. I think I put 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. You could put more, obviously. Try with some sausage. Let's do the whole thing. Rice, sausage. Here we go. Thanks for joining me this
Thursday.
You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. Oh man. Oh, we've got leftovers.